And I think it's a great way to tie up the discussion on what performance resilience actually is. In a nutshell, one way you could describe it is it is having comfort in uncertainty, being comfortable navigating uncertainty. And uh, another explanation I could use for that that's a little bit more granular is the ability to spin a negative into a positive. That would be sort of like the level two explanation of it, I guess. And then if I was going to go to level three, I would be able to say something like the ability to see that the negatives that you were labeling as negatives were actually positives in disguise. That is a high level of perceptive resilience. And that I think is the skill set that really sets aside a very high performer. If we tested different types of performers against each other and put them through a maze of unfortunate events, I think what you would see more than anything is that the guy who is the most resilient, which is the guy who's going to be the highest performing over time, assuming all these players are operating from the same technical methodology, if we hold that factor stable, the guy that is encountering these unfortunate events with more capacity to reframe them into gifts that he's learning from instead of mistakes that he's made or punishments along the way. That's the deciding factor in that guy having the energy to continue and to be able to parse information in an objective way. And that's what really strong problem solving is. So I like that explanation because it really fuses the emotional kingdom with objective problem solving. And it all hinges on relaxing the nervous system so you can actually think straight.